The core belief underlying all of the work that compileHer does is to make sure that we're making computer science education as accessible as possible. Unfortunately, a lot of inequities in our public education system today start very early on. In our conversations with the principal of Bret Harte, Mr. Charles Bright, he indicated that he wants to make sure that all of his students, many of whom come from low-income backgrounds, have access to the same opportunities that their peers in different parts of the city would. And that's why we were so excited to be able to bring our coding workshop curriculum to their classrooms this quarter.
Hi, I'm Jessica. compileHer has taught me how to create my own websites, how to add tools, how to make different things that I didn't know from my school. I've been loving it so far because it's different and it's new, and I learned stuff that I never knew before.
One of my favorite parts about being a teacher is just seeing how excited all of the girls get when they're making stuff. A lot of the times with computer science, things can feel very abstract or hard to understand, or sometimes it's not super engaging, and developing curricula that really engage the girls and get them excited about this field is just such a great thing to see.
Yesterday, I was teaching the last workshop at Bret Harte, and one of the girls came up to me and she just was like, this series has been amazing. She was there since day one. She was wondering when we get to see them again, what we get to learn next. The thing that I was most excited about was she kept saying when do I get to learn more? She was so excited about learning, and that was amazing to see.
Hi, my name is Marilla Bryant.
I've been coming to compileHer for 2 weeks.
compileHer has been expanding my horizons because I didn't know how to make sounds from computers or make a robot move. So compileHer has helped me be more interested in coding, and say if I wanted to do coding when I get older or for a career, it's helping me get more experience so I will have some experience and some background with coding.
I think we've all been very fortunate in terms of what we've been able to learn and how we've been encouraged to be a part of STEM, but there are so many girls out there that have not had that same experience, and it's amazing to see us actually be able to have an impact on some of these girls' lives who wouldn't have previously been interested in technology, or who wouldn't have otherwise gone into a field that they didn't really know they were allowed to go into. So it's been amazing to teach these girls new things about technology and that they can do it too.